Hello and welcome. Today we are taking a long drive up through Kentucky on the back roads. I haven't driven those roads, but we're going to take it together in the Ford Lightning. I charged the Ford Lightning overnight on a Tesla wall connector using this adapter made by Shockflo. Shockflo is a adapter available on Amazon. I got it from my buddy, the Crazy Postman, and I told him I'd check it out. Overnight, it seemed to work just fine. It rained all night, and the truck charged just fine. All right, well, let's see how much energy we actually got. Today, we're going to start our adventure at 259 miles of range. It's 46 degrees and windy here in Nashville. I'm headed up to Kentucky using the back roads only. Going to go through Guthrie and then to Bowling Green, then south, I think it's to Franklin, and then home. Should be a fun day. Never been in Kentucky on the back roads, so let's see it together. Yep, it had a full charge to 85% today. All right, well, we've got a long trip. We're heading up into Kentucky. Let's disconnect and get out of here. I'm back now from Bowling Green, Kentucky. As you know, I drove all the way on back roads up to Bowling Green and back. The Ford Lightning performed awesome. Time to charge it, however. Thanks to the Crazy Postman YouTube channel, who provided the Shockflo adapter, I'm going to test it tonight. It's supposed to be a cold one. Yesterday it was rainy and it performed great. We're going to charge all the way up to 85%, which is about 260 miles or so. This will give it a good workout. It'll be charging for probably 5 or 6 hours here. So let's plug it in and get it charging. Day 2, Shockflo's been charging the truck all night here. As you can see, it rained last night. So the $64 question is it full of water? Let's see. Oh, dry as a bone. Yep, 2 nights of charging here. I give it the EV Dave thumbs up for an adapter. There is one little minor thing. The place where the wall connector actually plugs in is a little stiff. I don't know, maybe the future ones will work a little better, but it does accept the wall connector no problem. The Lightning was charged just fine with the Shockflo adapter. The wall connector, of course, supplies the power. The adapter converts it from a Tesla wall connector NACS plug to the J1772 plugged in the side of the Lightning. Seemed to charge just fine, even in a cool, wet weather.